SmartLace Lite is our newest collection of light hair density and lightweight cap wigs. They also feature our signature welded lace that extends from ear to ear for the most realistic hairline. Although you may be familiar with how to put on a wig, the SmartLace Lite cap with its extended lace requires closer attention to make sure you do not damage the lace front by pulling or stretching. All you need to know is to never pull from the lace front when applying or adjusting your wig. Let me show you how I do it. First, I place my thumbs and index fingers at each side of the cap. Next, I will align the lace front to my front hairline, and while placing my hand on the front of the wig, I will slide the nape over the occipital and press on it to secure it. If the front is too far forward, I gently rock back the lace front to my desired hairline using only the polyurethane ear tabs. I also gently comb my wig with a wide tooth comb to style it, and I'm ready to go. To remove, place your thumbs under the nape, gently lift and slide forward. The key when applying and removing your SmartLace Lite wig is to always be mindful of not pulling the lace material. As always, I use a wide tooth comb and HD Smooth Detangler to gently remove any tangles before storing. Until next time.